Today we talk about how can you add specialized profile on your Upwork challenge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on profile settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open video. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on add specialized profile. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So just switching to open video here. So then here can you create a specialized profile. So you just switching to open video here. So then here can you click here on create right in here, or here can you click here on see all. Then when you click, you just click on continue here. Then it's going to take you to next step. Then follow all these steps here. Then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.